साधि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म।
First of all, my obeisances to my Guru Pada Padma Nitya Pravishta Om Vishnupad.
Om Vishnupad.
Om Vishnupad. Astutara Shatashi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta. Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj. And also Nitya Pravishta Om Vishnupad. Astutara Shatashi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta. Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, to their lotus feet, which give, take away all the fear, my unlimited Dandavat pranams to their lotus feet. And after that, also my obeisances to Nitya Pravishta Om Vishnupad, Astutara Shadashila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and to all the sannyasi vrinda, all the sannyasis. So all the mothers here, all the devotees of Mahaprabhu here, all those eager to listen to Hari Katha. So everyone, my greetings and my welcome and my obeisance to all. So it's such a blessing, that such a good fortune that we are here in this month of Purushottam in Purushottam Dham, Jagannath Puri, and doing the Purushottam Vrat also, the vow of Purushottam. So yes, tomorrow it will end. 16th of October, it ends this Purushottam Vrat. It will be the end, we'll finish. So you have heard the glories of Purushottam. Actually, according to the conception of the Smarta Brahmanas, this extra month is called Mal Mas. It would be a bad month. But in their in the conception of the Vaishnavas, this is the highest month, the best month. Especially Swayam Bhagavan, he gave the name, because the name of this month is the name of God, like Krishna's name, Purushottam. So the story is like when Brahmaji created this month, Brahmaji, he rubbed his hands together and some dust came, and then this dust was crying and saying, "What is my name?" asking to Brahma. Brahma said, "Oh, you are Mal, like some dirt." Then this personality was unhappy, and because everybody was mocking him. Because Mal is like Mela, like a dirt, or nobody wants to keep any dirt, So Narada Rishi came, and Narada Rishi saw how this personality was so upset and told, "Okay, come with me, let's go to Prabhu, to God." Then they went to God, like a Lord, and this entity, he prayed, "Oh, my name is Malmas, like the month, dirt month. So everybody's mocking me and making fun of me. So that's why I'm so upset." Then Bhagavan told, "Look, my name is Purushottam. So I give you my own name now. So just like I'm worshipped in the whole world, in the same way you'll be worshipped just like me." So in this way, so this month got the name of Purushottam. So the month of Kartik comes every year. So we follow the Kartik Vrata, Niyam Seva Vrata, Urja Vrata, no, this vow of the month of Kartik. But this Purushottam Vrat only comes approximately every 3 years only. So this month of Purushottam is also called Adhik Mas, the extra month. And the deity, presiding deity of this month of Purushottam is Krishna himself. Just like in the month of Purushottam, in the month of Kartik, the presiding deity is Shrimati Radhika. So in the same way, the presiding deity of this extra month, also called Adhik Mas or Mal Mas, is as Krishna himself. And especially, what is the meaning of Purushottam? He's the highest amongst the Purushas. So Krishna Baladev,
खिरदुसही।
Sankarsana, Mula Sankarshan, Karandakashai, Garbhodakashai, Kirodakashai, Vishnu.
तो इसी प्रकार कहते हैं पुरुष उत्तम,
Sorry. So,
पुरुष में जो श्रेष्ठ
Purusha Uttam, he's the highest amongst
ऐसे
the
भगवान
Purushas.
अपने नाम
So,
दे दिया।
Lord gave his own name to this month. And
सारे लीला आदि बताया कि कैसे पुरुषोत्तम व्रत को पालन करना है।
so, actually, Krishna told how we should follow the month of Purushottam.
ये
Especially,
जगन्नाथपुरी के कहा जाता है
this Jagannath Puri is called
पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र भी कहा जाता
Purushottam Chetra, like Kshetra or Chetra. So, Purushottam Chetra is Jagannath Puri.
है। इस पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र में रह करके
So, if you stay in this
यदि कोई
Purushottam Chetra
पुरुषोत्तम व्रत पालन करे
and you follow the
तो
Purushottam
अधिक फल
Vrat,
प्राप्त होता है।
so if you follow the vow of Purushottam in Jagannath Puri, which is Purushottam Chetra, you'll get more fruit, like you get more results.
इस स्वयं कृष्ण ही
So Krishna himself
पुरुषोत्तम के रूप पुरुषोत्तम के
actually manifests in the form of Purushottam
जगन्नाथ क्षेत्र में विराजमान है।
in Jagannath Puri.
और
So
विशेष
like
करके
Krishna himself is present in Jagannath Puri in the form of Purushottam.
जगन्नाथ की महिमा आप लोग ने
So
श्रवण किया।
you have heard the glories of Jagannath,
ये राधा जी की
like
विरह में कैसे तड़प रहे हैं।
he's suffering separation of Srimati Radhika Jagannath.
अभी अभी उत्तम प्रभु ने
Just
बताया।
now Uttam Prabhu told
ये किस प्रकार वृंदावन की लीला आदि स्मरण करते करते स्वयं कृष्ण भाव में विभाजित हो गए
how
और उनके
remembering
सारे
to Vrindavana
अंग आदि क्या हो
Leela,
गया?
Krishna,
द्रवीभूत हो गया।
he melted, his heart
इस
melted.
प्रकार सूर्य के तेज से बर्फ खंड जैसे द्रवीभूत हो जाते हैं।
Just like,
पिघल जाते हैं।
you know, if the sun
इसी
rays,
प्रकार
a piece
कृष्ण
of ice
परिवार
will
की
melt.
प्रेम कथा के महात्मों की श्रवण आदि करके
The same way
स्मरण
Krishna,
करके
when he heard
चिंतन
about the glories
करके
of the Vrajavasis, when he
उनके
thinks
सारे
about the
अंग क्या हो- कैसे हो
Vrajavasis, when he remembers them,
द्रवीभूत हो गया, पिघल गए।
the hearts of Krishna, Krishna's
पैर
heart,
सब
and his whole body melts.
पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र की महिमा इसी प्रकार वर्णन है। एक बार
So then-
द्वारकापुरी में समस्त महिषियां
So,
16,108
What happened once?
महिषियां माँ रोहिणी देवी के निकट जाने बलदेव प्रभु के स्मरण करके चिंतन करके उनके सारे अंग क्या हो कैसे हो गया? द्रवीभूत हो गया, पिघल गए, हाथ पैर सब पिघल गए। पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र की महिमा इसी प्रकार वर्णन है। एक बार द्वारकापुरी में समस्त महिषियां
So the glories of Purushottam, like Purushottam Chetra, Jagannath Puri is once, is the story. Like once Krishna was gathered with all his 16,108 queens. Actually, what happened? The queens, they were with the mother of Baladev Prabhu, Rohini Devi. And they were making questions to her.
हम लोग यहाँ पर
So
16,108
So the queens were asking,
पटरानियां सब प्रकार से हम कृष्ण की सेवा आदि करते हैं, सदा सदा ध्यान रखते हैं
we are always serving to
उनकी
Krishna
सेवा
here.
की कहीं त्रुटि ना हो जाए।
We are always serving here to Krishna. And we are keeping, like, trying to be cautious, never to make any faults, like in his service. But still, although we are serving so much Krishna, in the middle of the night, he's suffering in separation.
हे नंद हे
The queens are telling
हे
to
राधे हे
the mother
ललिते,
of Baladeva.
ऐसे नाम लेकर
Krishna is screaming like, oh, He Radhe, He Lalite, and crying and crying.
ये वो लोग कौन है? यहाँ तो ये सत्यभामा भी
So
कहने लगी,
who are
आप
those
ये भी
people?
बताइए।
These people. So
कभी-कभी दिन में भी
Satyabhama told, not even evening time or night time, even during the day, sometimes Krishna becomes so absorbed in bhav, and he starts crying and crying and yelling also, and he grabs me and he's saying, hey Radhe, where are
इसी
you?
प्रकार रोते रहा।
So crying like that.
वह समस्त महिषियां कहने लगे,
So all these Mahishis, like the queens of Dwarka, they are asking to the mother of Baladeva, who are these Vrajavasis? Who is Lalita? Who is
विशाखा कौन?
Radha? Who is Vishakha?
नंद महाराज उनकी प्रेम क्या है? ये सब कथा हमें श्रवण कराइए। तब
Tell
रोहिणी
me.
देवी कहने लगी, देखो
Then
ये
Rohini
अतीव
Devi told,
गुप्त कथा है।
this is something very confidential.
इस कथा में
Confidential.
लक्ष्मी देवी स्वयं समझ नहीं पाई।
Even Lakshmi Devi cannot understand. How can you understand?
तथापि तुम लोग के उत्कंठा देख करके
Still,
मेरे हृदय
seeing
में
your eagerness,
इच्छा हुई आप लोग को बोलने के लिए।
I have the desire to
स्वयं
tell
रोहिणी
you.
देवी सुधर्मा
So
सभा
Rohini
में
Devi, in the Sudharma Sabha, in his assembly hall, she came
समस्त महिषियों के पास बोलने लगी। कहने देखो जहाँ पर कृष्ण
and
कथा
she
होती
told
है,
to all the
तो
Mahishis,
वहाँ पर
the queens of Dwarka. Actually, Rohini Devi, she warns them. You know, when we say the Bhagavad Gita, when we speak about Krishna, Krishna will appear there.
नारायण क्या कहा? ए भगवान,
Actually, what happened? One day, Narada Rishi came to Lord and asked him, "Oh Lord, where do you stay?" And Krishna, what did he say?
नाहं वसामि वैकुंठे न च जगिन हृदये च मद्भक्त जत्र गायन्ति तत्र तिष्ठामि नारद। स्वयं भगवान कहने लगे, हे
स्वयं
नारद,
भगवान तो,
नाहं
हे
वसामि
नारद,
वैकुंठे, मैं वैकुंठ में नहीं रहता।
I don't stay in
न च
Vaikuntha.
जगिन हृदय च, जोगियों के हृदय में भी नहीं रहता।
I also don't stay in the heart of the yogis. So where do you stay?
मद्भक्त जत्र गायन्ति, मेरे भक्त जहाँ पर मेरे
Where my devotees,
कथादि लीला कथादि
they
स्मरण करते हैं, कीर्तन
remember
आदि
my pastimes and they glorify my Harikatha, my pastimes. I manifest there.
देखो उस समय रोहिणी देवी कहने
So
लगी,
in this
कृष्ण
moment,
कृष्ण
Rohini
भगवान
Devi
आ जाए, उनके कथा
told,
के पास कैसे बोलेंगे?
if Krishna Balaram come here, how can I speak this Harikatha in front of them?
इसलिए
So
कृष्ण के बहन
the sister of Krishna,
सुभद्रा जी के बोले, तुम यहाँ द्वार पर खड़े हो जाओ।
so they told Subhadra, Subhadra, you guard this place, stay here in the
जब
door.
कृष्ण बलराम आ
And
जाए,
if Krishna
इशारा
Balaram
कर
come,
देना,
you indicate to us, like you show us, like that they arrives, and then we'll speak about something else. Like we'll not show to them that we're speaking about them.
जब कथा
About,
बोलने शुरू कर दें,
but when Rohini Devi, she started speaking the
स्तब्ध
katha,
होकर के श्रवण
all the
करते
queens, they were listening, like without even like moving, they were completely absorbed listening. Those who doesn't not want to listen Krishna
हैं।
katha, isn't
भागवत
it?
में ही कहते हैं,
And Srimad Bhagavatam
केवल एक ही
explains,
व्यक्ति ब्रज की कथा सुनना नहीं चाहते।
only one person does not want to listen Krishna katha. Who?
निवृत्त तरसै उपगीयमान,
The butcher.
निवृत्त तरसै उपगीयमान भवस्तद स्तोत्र मनोभिराम पौत्तम श्लोको गुणानुवादत पुना पुमान विरजेत बिना पशुघ्ना। श्रीमद् भागवत में दसम स्कंद में पहली
So in the
अध्याय में इसको
10th canto of Bhagavatam, first chapter, 10th canto
इस
explains.
संसार से निवृत्त होकर के, अनासक्त होकर के ब्रह्म में लीन होने वाले व्यक्ति भी,
So even those who are not attached to material worlds, material things, even those who want to merge in Brahma, if they listen to Krishna Katha, they will
अद्वैतवादी के ध्यान को छोड़ दे,
they will leave, like they'll give up this meditation in Advaita again, like in impersonal Brahma or
इस संसार
like
में कोई
this.
व्यक्ति संसार में दुखित है,
Another example, if someone is suffering in this material world, these three miseries, you know, the three miseries, you know, Adhyatmika, Adidevika, Adibhautik, if somebody is suffering, even if this person listens to Bhagavad Katha, to Krishna Katha, all his sufferings also will be gone, far and gone, like will finish. The evidence is this loka.
तप्त जीवनम कवि विरीडितम कलमसाहपम श्रवण मंगलम श्रीमदाततम भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना। भूरिदा जना यानी कृष्ण की कथा जो श्रवण कराते हैं,
So
सर्वश्रेष्ठ
those who tell, who speak Krishna Katha, they are the highest donors, they are the best
संसार में अनेक लोग अनेक
donors.
प्रकार भी दान करते हैं।
So people in this world, they give donation. In this month of Purushottam, so many people, they give donation. I've seen in Mathura and Govardhana, if you do parikrama,
दान करते जा रहे हैं,
so many, like thousands of people, they are giving donation.
सब्जी दान कर रहे हैं,
They are giving water, they are giving clothes, they are giving sabji, they are giving like food, they are giving so much donation.
दाता कौन है? जो भगवत कथा दान करते हैं।
But Bhagavatam says, those who give Harikatha, those who spread Krishna Katha,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। इसलिए कहते हैं जो भगवत कथा सुनते नहीं है,
those who don't listen to Bhagavad Katha, those who don't speak Bhagavad Katha,
पशुघाती कहा जाता है,
they are just like animals.
जो सुनना नहीं चाहते।
Sorry, they are like, sorry. Those who don't want to listen to Katha, they are like butchers, one who kills an animal, okay? So those who want to listen to Katha, they are not like animals, sorry, they are like the killer of the animals. The butcher. So this look explains, those who don't want to listen to Harikatha,
शिकारी
they are like a hunter or like someone very cruel-hearted who kills animals, like slaughter animals, like butcher, like this.
निर्दय हृदय वाले।
So that person who does not want to listen to Harikatha is nirdaya, like has no compassion, no, very cruel heart. So Rohini Devi, she was speaking such a beautiful katha in that assembly, and all the queens, they've opened their ears, like they were eager listening to this Bhagavad Katha. Just like when Krishna used to play the flute in Vrindavana, all the gopis immediately they used to give up everything they were doing, and they would like just run to Krishna, isn't it? So they were so eager to listen to Krishna Katha. So in the same way, Rohini Devi in that assembly, when she started describing Krishna Katha, all the queens of Dwaraka, they with so much eagerness, they were listening to her Harikatha about Krishna. So nobody realized when Krishna and Balaram came, like nobody even saw, like nobody knew that Krishna and Balaram were there sitting next to Subhadra, because Subhadra was also absorbed. So she also didn't realize. So this is the glory of Krishna Katha, you see. So especially Rohini Devi, she was telling the Viraha Katha, separation mood stories of the Vrajavasis. Listening to this, everybody started crying in that assembly. And even Krishna Balaram, when they listened to this Viraha Katha, the separation stories of Vraj, their heart melted. Like their bodies melted, even the body of Subhadra also. And they showed the Divya Sharir, like a divine body. And then Narada Rishi came, manifested, and did Stavastuti, like many prayers and praises to Jagannatha Baldeva Subhadra. And then, listening to his prayers, Krishna came back to his normal body. Then after that, Krishna said, Narada, ask for a blessing, whatever you want. Then Narada said, Prabhu, if you want to give me a blessing, then this Mahabhava Murti, like this form that you showed now, feeling this Mahabhava, this separation, Viraha Murti, this like melted form, please show this form in the material world. So this is Jagannath. See the eyes, the ears of Jagannath, everything is melted. So actually this is the stage of Mahabhav. So in this Purushottam Chaitra, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
सर्व दामोदर रायनंद के साथ चर्चा करते थे। रायर नाटक आर स्वरूपेर गान विरहेर काले दुहे राखो हे परान। चैतन्य चरितामृत में कृष्णदास कविराज,
so Chaitanya Charitamrita explains how Mahaprabhu, when he was
विरह में तड़पते थे,
suffering separation,
मुरली वदन कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं भजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कहीं वो दुख के जाने मर दुख भजेंद्र नंदन बिना महाप्रभु इसी प्रकार राधा भाव में विभाजित होकर के so Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika and suffering so much in separation, like feeling the separation. Where is he who plays the flutes? Krishna, where is he who uses a peacock feather on his head? His smiling face, like that sloka explains, Kama Deva Vardhanam. Where is he who has this peacock feather, and he who attracts all the living entities? Where is he? How can I attend to him? How can I get him? So thinking like that, Mahaprabhu, he was in the bhava, like in the separation moods and manifesting many moods, like he was feeling all these moods and in viraha separation. So Mahaprabhu was so absorbed in bhava, in this viraha mood, then he used to rub his face against the wall and also his nails, and then he was rubbing his face against the wall, and then blood was coming. Okay. How can I attain this Madan Mohan? So Mahaprabhu, he used to discuss these things with Sarupa Damodar and Rai Ramananda. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami wrote that when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was suffering in separation moods,
Mahaprabhu,
राधा भाव में
he
विभाजित
was
होकर
absorbed in Radha Bhav
कृष्ण के विरह में इतने तड़पते रहते।
and suffering so much in separation of Krishna.
वह मुरली बदन,
Where is he who
वेणुबदन
plays the
कार्य
flute?
करने वाले,
Where is he?
पुच्छक
Where is he who
धारण करने
holds the
वाले,
peacock feather on his head?
करने वाले। मंद मुस्कान के द्वारा समस्त जीवों
With
की
his
आकर्षण
smile,
करने
he
वाले।
attracts to all the living entities.
जैसे इसी श्लोक में आया ना, ब्रज
So that sloka explains,
कामदेव वर्धन।
Kamadeva Vardhanam.
तो ऐसे वो सिखी पुच्छक
So
धारण करने वाले,
what is he who has a peacock feather on his head, who attracts all the living entities?
वो है कहाँ?
What is
वो
he?
मुझे कैसे प्राप्त
How can I attain to him? How can I get
इसी
him?
चिंतन में
So thinking about
डूब
that,
जाते थे।
Mahaprabhu was completely
और
absorbed and in
मैं
separation
भावों के प्रकाश
manifested many bhavas, just like now they
में
told
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
how Mahaprabhu,
इतने भाव में विभाजित हो
he
जाते
was
थे,
so absorbed in bhav, so
दीवार पर
absorbed.
जो है
He used to
मुंह के जो है
rub
जिससे खून आ जाता। कभी
rub
नाखून के द्वारा
rub his mouth, his face against the wall, and then so much rubbing, and it was like bleeding. Sometimes he used to, with his nails,
और उसे खोदते थे
he used
कि
to
कृष्ण कहाँ है?
try to like also digging or like rubbing also the ground, trying to search for Krishna underneath.
कहाँ
Where is
छिपे हुए?
Krishna? Where is he hidden?
सर्व दामोदर करने लगे
So
प्रभु,
Swarupa Damodara told Prabhu,
आपके नाखून और मुंह में खून आ रहा है।
your nails, like your fingers, your face is bleeding.
आप शांत हो।
Be calm, calm down, calm down. But Mahaprabhu told Swarup Damodar, tell me, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? I cannot live without him. I cannot live without him. I cannot live without
कहाँ
him.
जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र
I cannot live without him.
सर्व दामोदर करने लगे प्रभु,
How can I get
कृष्ण तो
him?
आपके हृदय में विराजमान है।
Prabhu, Krishna is in your heart, Swarupa Damodara told. Mahaprabhu said, really?
हृदय में
Swarupa, Krishna is hidden in my heart.
वो छल कपट
Oh, that cheater.
क्यों छुपे हुए?
Why is he hidden, hiding? I want to see him.
वो कहाँ है?
What is
ऐसे
he?
करके चैतन्य
Then Krishna Mahaprabhu used to say this, and then he used to,
अंगुली के द्वारा
with
अपने
his
भक्त
fingers,
से भी
he used to try to like open his own chest, like trying to open his chest. Then somehow Swarupa Damodara used to calm Mahaprabhu down, like calm him down.
गंभीरा में दर्शन करने
So in
आए।
Gambhira, we just saw Gambhira today. So in the Gambhira, these leelas are going on now, are going on there.
जो समस्त
So in this
भावों को
Purushottam
दर्शन कराया।
Kshetra, in this Jagannath Puri, Mahaprabhu showed all this divya bhava, like all these transcendental divine bhavas. Mahaprabhu showed all these bhavas in Jagannath Puri, Purushottam Kshetra.
प्रकट कराया। ना भूतो ना भविष्य।
And nobody in the past or also not in the future showed ever before this kind of bhavas or ever will show.
जो श्रीमद् भागवत में
That those things in the Bhagavatam, actually Shukadeva Goswami not even explain all these things about the madness of Shrimati Radhika, the separation moods in the Bhagavatam.
श्रीमद् भागवत में
Actually, in the Bhagavatam, Shukadeva Goswami
श्रीमती राधा जी की
explained only 10 verses about the Divya Madadasha, the transcendental madness of Shrimati Radhika. In the Bhagavatam, we can only find 10 shlokas about it. But in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explains all these bhavas of Mahaprabhu. We've never heard, we never hear about this. How Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira and he was manifesting all these bhavas. So he was absorbed in the bhava of Shrimati Radhika. Mahaprabhu always, he was absorbed in bhava. And he was thinking, I am Radha, my beloved Govinda. He left me and he went to Mathura. So absorbed in this bhav, he was always. So Divya Madadasha, this transcendental separation, this Divya Madadasha, this transcendental madness, not ordinary people can understand, especially these things which happen in Gambhira. Not everyone can understand it. The name is Gambhira. Gambhira means like also deep, grave, very deep, So the name itself is Gambhira, means like this Gambhira Lila, this very Gambhira Lila, this deep pastimes. All these bhavas, very deep of Shrimati Radhika, all these were manifested there. Although Mahaprabhu showed Surai Ramananda his form of Rasaraj Mahabhava Swarup, although he manifested this form of Rasaraj Mahabhava Swarup to Swarup Damodara, oh sorry, to Rai Ramananda, right? Mahaprabhu showed this form to Rai Ramananda of Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarupa, but
जो लीलाएं जो है वो कोई
these
साधारण
leelas in Gambhira, they are not ordinary at all.
ये समस्त लीला आदि दर्शन कराए
So
और भाव में कैसे ईश्वर देखते हैं
how Mahaprabhu was
और
absorbed in
महाप्रभु
Bhav there,
ऐसे
and
भाव
Mahaprabhu,
विरह भाव को देख करके सर्व दामोदर
seeing
राय
this
रमन क्या करते थे
separation mode of Mahaprabhu, Swarupa Damodar and Rai Ramananda,
दास के कीर्तन करते
they used to glorify kirtans of Chandidas and
और
Vidyapati
उस
to him.
कीर्तन के सुन करके चैतन्य महाप्रभु के
And listening to these
और भी
kirtans,
दिव्योन्माद दशा विरह दशा
Mahaprabhu used to feel even more separation, like his
जिस
flame of
प्रकार
separation would increase even more. Just like suppose there's some fire, like some fire is there, like a fireplace or something, and then if you put more ghee in this fire, like ghee, the ghee will make the fire flames increase, go higher.
आपकी लहरियां और भी प्रज्वलित हो जाते हैं बढ़ जाता है
The fire flames increase.
लकड़ी भी डाल दिया
Have you done the fire sacrifice, for example? The fire sacrifice, there's the fire, right? So you put the woods, firewoods, to feed that fire, let's say like that, and in the fire sacrifice, isn't
और
it?
घी भी डाल दिया
And also you put ghee also
तो आपकी
in the
लहरियां
fire.
ऊपर बढ़
And in this way, the flames of the fire, they increase. So in the same way, Swarup Damodar,
चंडीदास की जब कीर्तन आदि करने
when they were describing the kirtan of Vidyapati Chandidas,
और भी
the separation mode of Mahaprabhu, 2, 3 times, like we're increasing more, like his separation was 2 times higher, 3 times higher, like the flames of the fire, higher and higher.
इसको देख करके
So seeing to this,
महाप्रभु ये सेवक
seeing this situation, the sevak, the servant of Mahaprabhu called Govinda,
मन ही मन सोचते हैं कि
in his
सर्व
mind he
दामोदर
was
राय
thinking,
क्यों आते हैं?
why do these Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda come here? They only come here and make Mahaprabhu cry more.
ये लोग नहीं आते तो अच्छा रहेगा
If they wouldn't come, then it would be good. It would be good if they wouldn't come here. Govinda used to think like that.
किंतु महाप्रभु की
But
भाव
actually, this bhav of Mahaprabhu Govinda couldn't understand.
विरह में जो आनंद
This bliss of the separation.
वो कौन समझेगा
Who can understand? Viraha
चीज
Ananda.
जगत की वस्तु
This is something from the
जड़
spiritual
जगत
world.
में
In this material world, there's not even doesn't even exist viraha in this world. It only exists here, shok, like lamentation.
किंतु चित जगत में
But in the transcendental world, Chit Jagat, this viraha,
विरह शब्द की अर्थ है वी माने
V means special, Raha means meeting.
विशेष मिलन ही
So this special meeting is viraha.
और उसमें आनंद की उल्लास
And
होता है
in so much bliss, actually, so many bliss, joy and blissfulness, like blissfulness, no, so much bliss and joy, joyfulness.
दिखाई पड़ता है
So it's externally looks like the suffering is there, like dukkha, like something which is suffering.
किंतु अंतर हृदय में
But
क्या
in the
आनंद की
in the core of your heart, you're feeling the waves of bliss.
लहरियां चलती रहती है जत देखो वैष्णवेर व्यवहार दुख ताहाते जानियो तुम्ही बाहर में दुख
So externally, the Vaishnavas might be manifesting this as this suffering, or like this suffering. I mean, like this unhappiness. But actually, in their hearts, they're feeling the so much bliss in their hearts.
इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
गंभीरा में रहा करके
he was staying in Gambhira,
जब
and
एक समस्त भाव की आस्वादन
and he
करते
was
थे,
relishing all these
विशेष करके
bhavas,
स्वरूप दामोदर
especially Swarup
और
Damodar,
राय
Ramananda
राय
also with them,
अपने
with him. Sorry,
सर्वरचित
Ramananda also nothing less. Like Ramananda, actually he wrote a book called
जगन्नाथ वल्लभ नाटक
Jagannatha Vallabha Natakam.
इस नाटक
And
में एक श्लोक जो
Ramananda used to recite like each verse of this book to Mahaprabhu, and then Mahaprabhu listening to this,
कैसे
he used to
आनंद में विहल हो
be absorbed in ananda, in bliss, listening to all these
स्वरूपेर गान আর রায়ের
these shlokas.
বিরহের কালে তুহে রাখে পরা देखो ये विरह में आनंद कैसे
So how is the bliss of this
जैसे
viraha
उदाहरण दिया जाता
separation?
है,
So the
एक
example is
विराह में
given.
क्या है?
If
रामायण पाठक
somebody is giving some Ramayana Katha, like somebody is reading Ramcharitamanas, like suppose there's some festival and some person is like giving Harikatha about Ramcharitamanas and Ramayana.
विशेष करके सीता जी के पादार
Especially when this man, like this person, is speaking about how Sita ji, she entered Patal. Like when Sita went to the, earth came, Prithvi, and took her to Patal, to the inside, like to the other, like down, inferior planet, Patal. So
और उस समय सारे लोग क्या करेंगे?
So when
उस कथा को सुनकर
everyone
सब
who was hearing this katha when he was speaking, Sitaji Patal Pravesh, they call, like when Sita went to Patal. So this katha is so like a pathetic and
रामचंद्र
like
की सभा में
you,
कितने लोग बैठे हुए थे?
it's so like, you know, very
सभी लोग
touching, you know. So everybody who was there in that assembly listening to this katha from this man, they started
रोना शुरू कर
to cry at this moment.
दिया। अथवा लव कुश
And also another moment when Love Kush also they started describing all this katha.
सभा में सभी लोग रोना शुरू कर दिया।
Everybody started crying also in that assembly. And in the end of Hari
फिर
Katha,
दूसरे दिन उसी कथा को सुनने के लिए फिर आ जाते हैं।
people came back the next day to listen again to the same katha.
यदि रोना दुख है
If crying,
तो फिर क्यों
if crying gives unhappiness, like if the act of crying gives them gives unhappiness, so why did the people come back in the next day to that katha, like to that Hari Katha, to listen to again that same katha that made them cry the day before?
भगवत चरित्र कथा
Because this Bhagavad Charitra Katha,
चित शब्द है,
these pastimes of God, they are transcendental.
प्राकृत कथा है,
These are Prakrita Katha, transcendental stories. Externally, you are crying,
आनंद।
but in your heart, actually, you're feeling so much bliss, Ananda.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in the Gambhira
रामानंद के साथ
with Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda.
विरह की वार्तालाप करते थे।
And he used to talk to them about these things. And externally, Mahaprabhu was crying, but in his inner heart, he actually waves of bliss were coming. Normal people
समझ में नहीं
cannot understand this.
मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य
So what I want to say is that we are in the Purushottam Kshetra, the Jagannatha Puri. Here, Jagannatha, he's Krishna himself, right? So Krishna is suffering in separation from the Brajavasis. So in this Purushottam Kshetra, this Krishna also came in the form of Gauranga and stayed in Gambhira, feeling the moods of Srimati Radhika in separation of Krishna, suffering separation of Krishna. So Acharyas explained, Viraha Vidur Krishna and Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha and Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. So Krishna is suffering in separation of Srimati Radhika. This is that form of Mahabhava, divine, of Purushottam Kshetra, Lord Jagannath, very special. So here we have the Bhava Udipan, means the simulation of for the Bhavas. You see the ocean and like, and if you remember of Jamuna, you see, like Mahaprabhu, for example, he used to see the ocean and remember Jamuna. Mahaprabhu used to see the Chatak Parvat. You know, Chatak Parvat is like a dune, like sand dune, like a mountain made of sand. And he used to, like, a mountain with sand on top. And then he used to remember Giriraj Govardhan. Also, there's the Vamshivat nearby, like some banyan tree. And he used to remember all these leelas of Krishna. So the devotees with Premik Bhaktajan, they remember all these leelas, they think about these leelas. This is the meaning of staying in Jagannatha Puri, Purushottam Kshetra. What is the specialty? You remember Vraj moods and remember Vrindavan. If you stayed in the month of Purushottam in Jagannatha Puri, Purushottam Kshetra, but if there was no discussion of Vraj Katha, then all the other kathas you spoke were like useless. So with one verse in the Bhagavata, Shukadeva Goswami, he told the essence of the Bhagavatam. The 10th canto katha, like Uttam Prabhu told, which sloka? Jayati Janani Vasu. So he explained in a very beautiful way this verse. Who is Krishna? He is the transcendental Kamdev. Transcendental Cupid, Krishna. You've heard about 3 kinds of Cupid. One Cupid stays in Swargalok. Is the friend of Indra. And he makes all the living entities dance. Another Cupid is Pradyumna in Dwarkapuri. And another Kamadeva is Krishna himself. Krishna is also
इसलिए
Kamdev.
चैतन्य चरितामृत में कृष्णदास कविराज जी
So in the
वर्णन
Chaitanya
करते हैं।
Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explains.
अपराजित नवीन मदन काम गाते काम विजय जहाँ रूपासन। वृंदावन में अपराजित मूल कामदेव कौन है?
So who is the transcendental Cupid, original Cupid in Vrindavan? Is Krishna himself.
जिसमें अपने सुंदर मंद मुस्कान आदि के
So with
द्वारा
his beautiful smiling face,
वेणु ध्वनि के
with
द्वारा
his sound of his flutes,
समस्त जीवों के क्या करते हैं?
Krishna is attracting all the living entities.
ऐसे कोई जीव नहीं है।
There's no one who,
भगवान कृष्ण की वेणु ध्वनि सुन करके
listening to the sound of Krishna's flute, would not become captivated. So all these descriptions are there. So stay in Purushottam Kshetra Jagannatha Puri. Actually, we have to remember Vrindavan, these moods of Vrindavan.
ही हमारे भजन की
This is the
सार कहा जाता
essence of our bhajan.
है। प्रसाद आ गया कि नहीं?
Prasada arrived or not? The prasad.
जगन्नाथ जी आ रहे हैं।
So Jagannatha ji is coming. Jagannath is arriving.
हाँ, तो इसलिए मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य यह है।
So what I want to say, the meaning of everything is that
पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र में रह करके
staying in Purushottam Kshetra, in Jagannath Puri, in this month of Purushottam, actually we have to remember Braja Lila Katha.
और यही लीला कथा को स्मरण
And this
करते
Lila
करते
Katha,
आप
remember,
कहाँ पहुँच
remembering,
जाए?
you are saying to
वृंदावन में पहुँच।
Vrindavan.
हमारे चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Like our Chaitanya
इसी प्रकार
Mahaprabhu.
शिक्षा दी।
Like this, he gave this example to this teaching to us how to do bhajan in viraha, like viraha bhajana pranali, no, to make a bhajan in viraha mood, separation mood.
है? क्योंकि साधारण साधक
Because
विरह में
the sadhaka, normal sadhaka,
भटकते हुए
when he suffers in separation, chanting holy names,
महाप्रभु ही दिखाया।
Mahaprabhu showed this to us.
धारया बदनं गद गद रुद्ध है गिरा। पुलार कोई नीचों को पुकदा तब नाम ग्रहणे नाम ग्रहण की प्रणाली।
So how to chant holy names like these?
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। तो आप लोग धन्य हो।
So you are so fortunate
क्षेत्र में आप लोग रह रहे हैं।
that you stay in Purushottam Kshetra,
महीने में
and in the month of Purushottam also.
आज और काल अंतिम दिवस
I think today or tomorrow is the last day of the month of Purushottam, so beautiful.
स्वयं भगवान
So Bhagavan himself arranged it.
और साक्षात जगन्नाथ जी के
And
महाप्रसाद
actually we are getting directly the Mahaprasad of Lord Jagannath.
और भगवान के हैं? क्योंकि हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो आप लोग धन्य हो।
So you are so fortunate because you are in Purushottam Kshetra.
रह रहे हैं।
You stay in Jagannath Puri
महीने में
in this month of Purushottam.
आज और काल
I think today or tomorrow is the last day of month of Purushottam. So beautiful. So
भगवान
Swayam Bhagavan arranges.
और साक्षात जगन्नाथ जी के महाप्रसाद
And also-
इससे बड़ी क्या चीज है?
And also directly we got the Mahaprasad, we are getting the Mahaprasad of Jagannath. What can be higher than that?
है भगवान और भगवान के प्रसाद में कोई अंतर नहीं।
There's no difference between Lord and His Mahaprasadam.
इसलिए कहते हैं महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नाम ब्रह्मणि वैष्णवी सर्वपुण्य बतांग राजन विश्वास नहीं लेता है। सर्वपुण्यवान जो
So those who have less sukriti, who has not so much sukriti, they don't have faith in four things. Like yesterday I told also
एक बार भक्ति पूरी गोस्वामी महाराज
that once
जगन्नाथ जी में मंदिर में आए।
Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Maharaj, once he came to the temple,
उस समय जगन्नाथ जी के मंदिर बंद हो गया, दर्शन नहीं हुआ।
and
और पुरुषोत्तम महीने में है शायद आज और काल अंतिम दिवस है बहुत सुंदर है स्वयं भगवान व्यवस्था कर देते और साक्षात जगन्नाथ जी के महाप्रसाद।
so we're getting directly the Mahaprasad of Lord Jagannath.
भगवान और भगवान के प्रसाद में कोई अंतर नहीं।
There's no difference between Lord and His Mahaprasad.
गोविंदे नाम ब्रह्मणि वैष्णवी सर्वपुण्य बतांग राजन विश्वास नहीं लेता है। सर्वपुण्यवान जो व्यक्ति
So those who have less sukriti,
ये चार वस्तु में
they don't have faith in these four
जैसे
things.
काल कोई भक्त हमें श्रवण करा दे।
Okay, like yesterday, because I just came back to see, yesterday some devotee told to Gurudev, not Gurudev told to the devotee told to Gurudev some story
भक्ति पूरी
that Bhakti Vaibhav Puri
जगन्नाथ जी में
Goswami Maharaj. I'm sorry, this was what I understood. Anyway, the Gurudev heard or spoke this story yesterday that how Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, he came to the temple And
तो उस समय जगन्नाथ जी के मंदिर बंद हो गया, दर्शन
but the temple of Jagannath was closed and he couldn't have the darshan and he was
अब
upset.
क्रोध होकर के उन्होंने क्या किया?
And then what did he do?
बोले जगन्नाथ प्रसाद को मनाया, मंगाया।
He asked for
जगन्नाथ और जगन्नाथ
he asked for some prasad of Jagannath because there's no difference between Jagannath and his
आपने
Mahaprasadam.
कोई बोले जगन्नाथ देव की
Jai Jagannath.
वो जगन्नाथ प्रसाद को
So-
लाकर के साष्टांग दंडवत किया।
So he took the Mahaprasad, like he took it, like, and then he put on in front of him this Mahaprasad, and he made Sastanga Pranam, like Dandavat Pranam on the ground, obeisances to that Mahaprasadam of Jagannath.
देखो कैसे
Look,
है, समझ में आ रहे
do you understand?
है? दंडवत किया, परिक्रमा
So he did
किया,
Dandavat to-
सब स्तुति किया।
He did
फिर वो जगन्नाथ
Dandavat Pranam to the Mahaprasad, he did Parikrama in the Mahaprasad, he did Stavastuti, like many prayers to the Mahaprasad, and then
प्रसाद को सेवन किया।
he served the Mahaprasad, like you know, ate, like served, you know, like took.
इसलिए हमें
So,
शिक्षा देते हैं।
Like this is giving,
अभी
this is
जगन्नाथ
teaching to
प्रसाद
us.
में साक्षात
The Jagannath
जी
Mahaprasad is directly
हमें कृपा करते हैं।
Jagannath giving mercy to
प्रसाद
us.
शब्द करते कृपा।
Prasad means mercy.
है? हम भोजन नहीं करते,
We are not
खाते नहीं
eating.
हैं, हम
We
क्या
don't
करते हैं?
eat. We
सेवन करते
we
हैं,
serve.
सेवा।
We serve.
है? बोलो जगन्नाथ महाप्रसाद की
जय।
जय, जगन्नाथ देव की जय, जय श्री क्षेत्र धाम की जय, क्षेत्रवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय, पुरुषोत्तम व्रत पालन करी भक्त वृंद की जय, पुरुषोत्तम धाम की जय, जय श्री राम। जो आप लोग बहुत सौभाग्यवान
So you're
हैं,
so
श्री क्षेत्र में
fortunate
रह रहे हैं।
because you're saying Shikshetra. Shri means Lakshmi Devi. And Shri also means Sarva Lakshmi Shrimati Radhika.
जय जय श्री राम। अभी आरती कर लीजिए,
Now do Arati.
इसके बाद सब प्रसाद
After that also distribute Mahaprasad to everyone.
प्रसाद सेवन करें।
Serve Mahaprasad. Let's serve Mahaprasad.
हेलो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथ गामी, जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथ गामी, हे जगन्नाथ स्वामी
Now Zoom class starting now.
गामी, जगन्नाथ